To add an order tracking page on Wix, start by logging into your Wix account and navigating to the Wix editor. From there, click on the Add button on the top bar. Then select More from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type in order tracking and select the order tracking app from the search results. Click on the Add to Site button to install the app. Once installed, click on the order tracking icon in the Wix editor to set up the app. You will be prompted to connect your Wix store to the order tracking app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection process. After connecting your store, customize the order tracking settings to fit your needs. You can add custom tracking messages, set up automated email notifications, and configure the tracking information display. Make sure to save your changes. To add the order tracking page to your site, click on the Pages button on the top bar. Then click on the Add Page button. Select the order tracking page from the list of available pages and click Add. The order tracking page will be added to your site. To make the order tracking page visible to your customers, you need to add a link to it from your site's navigation menu. Go to the Menu button on the top bar. Click on the Add Item button, and select the order tracking page from the list of available pages. Once you have completed these steps, your customers will be able to track their orders by visiting the order tracking page on your site. Make sure to test the order tracking page to ensure it is working correctly and make any necessary adjustments. By following these steps, you can provide your customers with a seamless order tracking experience, improving their overall satisfaction with your online store.